HTML and CSS tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be talking about something called pseudo elements. But the name pseudo element, I don't know why they give it that name, because it's not really even a fake element at all. It's basically just a piece of another element. So for example, a pseudo element, for example, might be if you have a paragraph, it might just be the first line of the paragraph. Or if you have a header, it might just be the first letter of that title or whatever section of text you have. So you see, it's not really like a fake element, it's just like the beginning of another element. So I know you guys, it's really hard to explain it, so I'm just going to show you guys what it is. So let's go ahead and make 3 paragraphs, because I'm going to be styling the first letter of each paragraph, so might as well have more than one. So let me just go ahead and make 3 outlines for paragraphs right now. PP, it's disgusting, and paste and paste. So let's just go ahead and, alright, what's popping in my head? Paul, did you hear Miley Cyrus played beer pong with the Russians? Yeah, I never took typing class as a kid, so yeah. And then just write something in the next one like OMG WF barbecue. And in the last one, just write like, oh Billy, oh Billy. Okay, so anyways, let's go ahead and save that and take a look at what we got it so far. 3 paragraphs, basically pretty dumb. So anyways, what I want to teach you guys is about these pseudo elements and how to apply styles to them. First of all, a pseudo element would be the first letter of each of these paragraphs, and you don't get to pick these pseudo elements. They're actually built in, and the ones that are built in I know by heart are first letter, first line. For example, if you had a paragraph with like 5 lines, it would only apply the style to that first line. And there's also one called what the heck am I saying? There's also one called before and after, and I actually never use these, so I'm not even entirely sure what they are, but I know that they exist because I read about them before. So anyways, what I'm going to be doing is applying a style to the first letter of each paragraph, and in order to use these pseudo elements, you do this. Go ahead and type the main element that you want to apply, and then go ahead and add a colon and type the name of the pseudo element. Now in this case, it's first minus a letter. And again, you don't get to make these up. These are actually built in. So again, there's first letter and first line, before and after. So now, whenever I apply a style, it's going to apply it to the first letter of every paragraph. So let's go ahead and, let's go ahead and make a style. So font, weight, bold. Good, and but like font size 30 pixels. I always choose 30 pixels. I'm not sure why. And just make it color green. That looks pretty good. And probably need that semicolon instead of a colon. Now refresh it, and let's see what we got. Now we have a style applied to the first letter of the first paragraph. P, O, and O, and it spells poo, so that's pretty nice. So anyways, that's what pseudo elements are, and that's how you can use CSS to apply styles to them. Now, again, in this example, it wasn't really useful, but you get the idea. If you ever want to apply a style to make the first letter or a first line stand out, this is how you would do that. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next video.